In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dropdowns in Google Sheets. Dropdowns are great for creating lists of options that can be easily selected, making data entry faster and more organized. Let's dive right in and explore how to create a dropdown in a Google Sheets document. First, go ahead and open your Google Sheets document. You can either start a new sheet or use an existing one. Once your sheet is open and ready, the next step is to navigate to the cell where you want your dropdown menu. Let's use cell B2 for this example. Click on it once to highlight. Now, with cell B2 selected, right-click to bring up the context menu. This menu will give you various options to choose from, but what we're interested in today is the drop-down feature. It's typically located under the Data submenu, so hover over Data and then select Drop-down from the list of options. This will open a Format Cell window specifically designed to create drop-down lists. In the drop-down settings window, you have the freedom to define the options that should appear in your menu. Let's start by typing in Mail as the first option. You just click into the provided Option 1 field and type it out. Once that's done, move on to the next option. Here, type Female in the Option 2 field. These are just examples, and you can customize the options based on your own needs. To make the drop-down visually distinct and perhaps a bit more intuitive, you can also assign colors to these options. For the Male option, go ahead and click on the blue fill color. This will apply a blue background to the cell whenever Male is selected. Next, choose a pink fill color for the Female option. Color coding options can be really helpful for quick data visual recognition. Once you've set up your options and color preferences, it's time to confirm everything. Click the Done button at the corner of the window to save your drop-down menu. Now, return to cell B2. Here you should see a tiny drop-down arrow when the cell is active. Click on this arrow to test your newly created menu by selecting Mail. You should notice the cell's background color change to blue. Now, let's add another example. Click on cell B3 and repeat the process of selecting the drop-down and then choose Female. Here, the background will switch to pink, showcasing the different color coding you set earlier. That's it. With just these simple steps, you've added drop-down lists to your Google Sheets, making it more interactive and easier to manage. Hopefully, this helps streamline your workflow, allowing for more efficient data entry and clearer data visualization. Thank you for watching, and be sure to refer back to this guide whenever you need to create drop-downs in Google Sheets. Until next time.